Hi everyone, welcome to another session in Adobe Premiere Pro where I will be teaching you this one very important tool called the Warp Stabilizer tool. So this is basically an effect that you will find in the effect panel, okay, in the video transitions itself. But it's actually important because if you have a shaky video and you want to stabilize it, you want to minimize the shakiness, this is where the Warp Stabilizer comes into play. So it's a very small tool, but it's a very, very important tool and it's highly important to use it in Premiere Pro, especially for your shaky videos. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin right away. So I already have my Premiere Pro opened up and I have this really short, no, not a short video, but I have this video. And as you can see that it's not stable and as the camera is moving, it's also like it's shaky, right? So this is what I meant by shaky videos and it's not at all stable. So how do I stabilize this? Okay. So over here, I'm going to go to my effects and I'm going to type out the tool or the effect that I want to use called the warp stabilizer right here. Okay. So all I have to do is that I'm like, since the entire video is shaky from the start, right? It's little shaky and then it becomes very shaky by the end, right? So I'm going to apply the warp stabilizer in my entire video. So I'm just going to drag and keep it right here. And as you can see, it says analyzing in background step 1 out of 2. So what basically this means is that it's going to take a little bit of time to stabilize your video. So depending on how long your video is, it might take up a little bit of time, but it's not going to take up too much time. So you will have to wait until and unless this is done. So now you can see it was saying stabilizing and now it's stabilized. Okay. So if I take this back and if I start playing it again, you can see that the shakiness has reduced and the video is looking so much better right now. Okay. And like this. Okay, so this was the warp stabilizer tool. So that's it. So I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice, you will be able to stabilize your videos very easily.